Hey guys, welcome to Being Civil. In this video, you will learn how to scale objects in AutoCAD. Watch the video till the end. You will be able to use scale command and all of its options. So let's start. The shortcut to use scale command is SC, or you can use it from here. This is the scale command icon. Write down SC and press enter. It will ask you to select objects. Select this object and press enter. Select the base point. Now we have to use the scale factor. So what is the scale factor? If you want to make this object 2x bigger, the scale factor will be 2. It means the scale factor is the new length by the old length. Write down 2 and enter. It will be 2x bigger. If you want to make 50%, that is 0.5x, then you have to give this scale factor 0.5. So it will be reduced to 50%. Now while scaling, if you want to retain the original object in position, then you have to use the copy options. So give the scale command, select the object, press enter, select the base point, then you see the copy and reference. So C enter for copy. It will be copied. Now let us make it 1.5x bigger. So 1.5 is the scale factor, enter. So you see the original object is in place. Now coming to the reference option. Suppose you don't know the length of this rectangle. Let us measure it. You see it is 696.27. But you want to make it 1000 unit. You don't need to calculate the scale factor like 1000 by 696.27. So here comes the reference options. So scale this object, scale command, select, enter, select the base point. Let us copy it and come to reference. So R enter for reference. So you have to specify the reference length. So in our case, the reference length is this length of this rectangle. So select this reference length. So it is now selected. Now you have to enter the new length. So the new length is 1000. This length is now 1000. Measure it. You see. That's all. Now coming to this circle. Let us scale it. Select the object, enter, select the base point. Let us select the center point as a base point. Now copy, reference. I want to make this diameter 500 units. So select this point and this point. So I have selected the reference length. Now make this diameter 500 unit. Now measure it. You see this is 500. So that's all about scale command. Hope you like this video. Share it with friends. See you in the next video.